Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to cancel a Zelle payment on Bank of America. For important, you can only cancel a Zelle payment if the recipient has not enrolled with Zelle yet, and if they have already enrolled, the money is sent instantly and cannot be cancelled. Firstly, log into your bank's mobile app or website and go to the Activity or Payments tab. Find the Zelle payment you want to cancel. If the recipient has not enrolled in Zelle yet, you will see a Stop the Payment or Cancel button. Tap it to cancel the payment. If the recipient has enrolled in Zelle, you will not see the cancel options. The money has already been sent and cannot be retrieved. You can ask the recipient to send the money back, but Zelle cannot refund it. If you scheduled a future payment, you can cancel it anytime before it's sent. Find the scheduled payment in Activity, then tap Cancel to stop the transfer. Zelle does not charge a fee for canceling payments, and if you sent money to the wrong person, you can ask them to return it, but Zelle cannot reverse it. To avoid mistakes, always double-check the recipient's details before sending the money. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.